Hello guys, let me introduce the crew.
Do you hear that?
It sounds like something amazing is about to happen. I am excited. Are you? Of course I am. Are you?
Yes, I'm so excited. There are so many children. That can only mean one thing. Welcome to the Children's Day special podcast hosted by Shweta Bachawat, aka My Dearest Bua. Let's start. So hello guys, this is the Children's Day special podcast with Shweta Bachawat, also known as My Dearest Bua. So we are starting with the first segment, which is rapid fire. Favorite ice cream flavor?
Butterscotch?
Same. Dream vacation destination?
Switzerland?
What is any superpower you could have?
The power to just be wherever I want to be.
Favorite way to spend a Sunday?
Sit back, go out with friends.
What is one thing you can't live without?
Air, I think.
No, okay. Favorite board game?
Business.
Favorite way to relax?
Sleep, TV.
What's your biggest strength?
I am loving to people.
Something you have always been ashamed about yourself?
I wish I had a little more physical stamina so that I could do a lot more.
Hello.
Hello, Jenny.
Okay, Bua, we're gonna do Gen Z dictionary.
Sure.
So जितना Gen Z slangs आपको आता है.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Delulu.
What?
Delulu.
No idea. Next.
Okay, it's delusion. Solulu.
No idea.
Solution. Slit.
Lewis Lit, do you mean?
No. It means excellent. अच्छा, aura point.
What is that?
A playful way to measure someone's coolness.
Okay.
ठीक है? No cap.
I haven't heard of that.
For real, like सच में.
Okay.
Riz.
No idea.
Charm. Sus.
Let's wrap this up. I don't think I'm going to
Okay.
score any points here.
Okay. Suspicious. थोड़ा ही है. Ick.
No.
Like we said, it gives me the ick. Like it's so disgusting.
Is there anything which I know?
Hello Vipua.
Hello, Evantam.
Today I'll be asking you would you rather questions.
Okay,
And you
shoot.
have to answer them truthfully.
All right, let's go.
Would you rather have the ability to learn everything instantly but forget it in a year? Or learn slowly and remember it forever?
I obviously learn slowly and remember forever.
You would pass up the chance to learn everything instantly.
Absolutely.
Why?
Because I can't learn everything.
Why not?
You can't.
Okay, let's have that. Would you rather change a single decision in your past or be able to see 10 minutes in the future?
As far as changing decisions goes, definitely no. Because decisions are never wrong. Decisions
Why?
are
You don't
always
think you've made a single mistake in your
not
life?
at all. Decisions are always right.
Point.
Consequences change, circumstances change. So yes, changing decision, not happening. So I'll choose the other one.
Would you rather save 100 strangers or one person that you love?
I think we're all a little selfish. So yes, I will save one person that I love.
Would you rather lose all access to modern technology or live with technology but have no privacy?
No, I don't think I'll compromise with my privacy. I'm okay with living like a primitive, but I'll need my privacy.
Reminds you of your childhood.
Yes, that was special.
Would you rather live in a society where everybody agrees on everything or one where everybody disagrees but innovation thrives?
That's a tricky one because innovation, yes, we need, but with a lot of disagreement, there'll be no harmony. So, no point living without harmony. So, I would live with harmony and I would give up on the innovation.
But mankind would never progress. We'll stay where we have been.
Progress is defined in different ways. For you, innovation might be progress, but for me, living in harmony is priority. If you do not have that, no progress can be ever be made.
Would you rather achieve all your personal goals but have the world remain unchanged or sacrifice your dreams? to create a better world.
Definitely create a better world, because if the world is not a better place, my dreams would have no place to go.
But you only live once.
That's okay. I definitely want a better place to live in and have dreams which are more applicable to all the rest of us.
Oh hello. चलो guys, वीडियो खत्म हो गया. टाटा बाय बाय.
Happy